Welcome 5A and happy Monday to Fractions to Robux. We played this game for a little bit on Friday. I'm going to make a quick video to remind us of how to play, and I'm going to add a third challenge option. We're going to be working a lot with mixed numbers and decomposing hundredth this week, so this will be a good review to get us ready for this week. Make sure if you haven't already, make sure you've completed Zern Mission 6. So if you click to this video and you haven't completed Zern Mission 6, go ahead and do that first. You can tell if you've completed Zern Mission 6 because when you go into your Zern homepage, it will say Mission 7 unlocked. So everybody should have Mission 7 unlocked on their Zern homepage. Okay, now for Fractions to Robux, on Friday, we made one of these little wheels, and all it does is to simulate a die. So if you have a die that you can roll, that works too. But I just made one of these little spinner wheels and just plug in numbers 1 through 8, kind of like a pizza slices here. The second thing you're going to need is a game piece, similar to how we played on Friday. A lot of us use those emoji erasers. I'm just going to use a quarter. So here's the first way we can play. The first way we can play is by converting a fraction of tenths to a decimal. So how we do that is flick your piece, get a number, and then write that number as a tenth. So if I have 1, in my fractions column, I'm going to write 1/10. And then I convert it to Robux, which are in decimals, and that would be 0.1. That's one option. The second option is to convert fractions of hundredths. We're going to then need to roll two numbers here. So I got a 6 and time. We'll call that a 1. A 6 and 1 would then be 61 hundredths. And I would convert that to decimal form 0.61 into Robux. Finally, the third way you can choose to play is to create a mixed number, and you'll do this by getting 3 numbers on your wheel. First one I got is 6. That's going to be, my first number is going to be my whole number, so I have 6. Now I'm going to add a fraction to my whole number. We'll call that 2 and 3. So that's 23, so that would be 6 and 23 hundredths, or in decimal form 6.23. So I would start with tenths if you feel comfortable with that. Try hundredths if you still need a challenge. You can try the version with mixed numbers. You don't have to turn anything in for fraction Robux today. Just make sure. Oh, hi Bella. Just make sure that you have completed Zern Mission 6, and then go ahead and play fraction and Robux for the remainder of your 40-minute math block today, and we will see you tomorrow.